And we're back to learn CapCut in here, day 31. Let me show you how you can create a slow motion effect. Click on the plus sign right here and then make sure that the clip is active in the timeline. If it isn't, you can see on the top right the menu changes. So left click on it and then you should be able to find the speed option. Stick to standard and then you have two ways to adjust it. The duration shows you the original length, which is around 13.1 seconds. It's the total time of my clip. And above it says 1x, so this is the original speed of 1.0. And if I make that 2x, it's gonna get speed up. It's now 2 times as fast, therefore we only have 6.6 seconds as a total duration. So this would speed up our clip. And if I make that 3.0, you have around 4.4 seconds. So this is the basic principle. And same goes for slowing down, but instead of going upwards, we go downwards. So 1.0 is the original length. And if we wanted to slow it down 2 times, we go to 0.5. You don't have to type it in. You can also use the slider. And now we have a clip of around 26 seconds. Same goes for segments. So let's just say you want to have a specific segment of your clip slowed down. Just use the split tool. Select the middle portion that you want to slow down and go to 0.5. Obviously other values are possible too. And now we have a regular speed, then a 2x slowdown, and then regular speed again. And this is how you can create slow motion effects in CapCut. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.